What's up, guys? Your boy Butch with some potatoes and eggs. You can't beat that, especially from dark cheese. We're preparing to go to the Houston Auto Festival at MSR this morning. Senor Pablo, Aram, my nephew's going. We're gonna meet with everybody from Lamborghini Houston and the Houston Lecturer magazine and all the car group. Buckle up, you're about to see what you're gonna see. Welcome to Imperial TV. So we're here at MSR for the Houston Auto Exotic Festival. We're about to put the cars on the track, maybe in about, what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes from now. I'm excited. Hey, what's up?
Just 2 laps. I'm me.
I'm gonna be the driver.
That's going to fry your brakes.
Yeah, because oh my God.
If you let me do it, I won't fry them.
Last time I fried them.
Yes?
Well, Carlos, you,
Yeah, no.
everybody.
It's Carlos and you, not me.
So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna take the McLaren on the track, but I cannot do anything stupid with the McLaren because there's no tires at all. Ask them. I was trying to do some videos on the freeway, and my car was like fishtailing everywhere. So I don't want to like.
Let me drive it, and I'll tell you if they got tires or not.
Reimbursement of $400,000.
Yes. You wish.
Team Savage in the house. Danny, what's up, baby? Been knowing you for how many years? Oh, thank you.
You probably know me 7 years already, I think. 6, 7 years.
More than 7 years. Probably 10 years.
Yeah, I think so.
How are you?
I'm excited for you to get on the track today.
Me too, man. I just can't do anything stupid because there's no tires on the McLaren. I was already fishtailing on the freeway. To get, last time I took the Urus, the brakes catch on fire.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's when you let him drive.
Because that thing is so
Everything catches on fire.
Between me and you. So the truck over here is made for maybe 400 horsepower cars, but not for more horsepower cars.
Yeah, it gets dangerous.
Yes, it gets not only dangerous, then you use your brakes more harder and you have to like force your car to stop, and it's just it's crazy.
No,
so let's behave.
Brakes catching on fire today.
No,
let's have a great day.
Were you here last time?
No, I was not here last time.
Oh yeah, last time the car was like the brake.
You have video of it?
Yeah.
I gotta see it. Oh man.
I saw that.
Well, it's gonna be a good day here. It's an exotic festival.
Yes, and especially it's cool now. It's not even hot.
No, it feels amazing.
Yeah.
Take your shirt off.
way better than Lambo's go-karts.
I mean, if there's a guy that loves exotic car racing in this town, this is it.
I'm the winner! I'm a car enthusiast. I love cars. I love to fix cars. I love to help people. And I love to collect them too. I never thought about owning a Lambo. All I always wanted, like, something on 4 wheels just to drive, and then I got motivated. As I went more motivation. I started buying, went from BMW forward, my first Lambo, and then McLaren, Ferraris. Everything comes along. Thank God, we're blessed. Yeah, but thanks to you, my man. You motivated me, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.